So you have seen Java in action. Now let me tell you 5 interesting facts about Java. Java was developed by James Gosling in 1995 at Sun Microsystems, which was later acquired by Oracle in 2010. It was originally called Oak after an oak tree that stood outside Gosling's office. Later it was renamed to Green and was finally renamed to Java, inspired by Java Coffee. That's why its logo looks like this. We have 4 editions of Java for building different kinds of applications. We have Java Standard Edition. This is the core Java platform, which is what we're using in this course. It contains all of the libraries that every Java developer must learn. We have Java Enterprise Edition, which is used for building very large-scale and distributed systems. It's built on top of Java Standard Edition and provides additional libraries for building fault-tolerant, distributed, multi-tier software. We have Java Micro Edition, which is a subset of Java Standard Edition designed for mobile devices. So it has libraries specific to mobile devices. And finally, we have Java Card, which is used in smart cards. The latest version of Java is Java Standard Edition 12, which was released just a few months ago in March 2019. Java has close to 9 million developers worldwide. Currently, about 3 billion mobile phones run Java, as well as 120 million TV sets and every Blu-ray player. According to Indeed.com, the average salary of a Java developer is just over $100,000 per year in the US. So as you can see, Java is everywhere, which means more opportunities for you to get hired as a professional programmer.